Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on the time of you are watching this presentation. My name is Vikash and I would like to welcome you to this short presentation on a fantastic real estate opportunity in Pune. I would request you to stay with me till the end of the presentation as I really have an amazing offer, a real amazing offer for all of you. Now, as the famous tagline says, Pune tithe kai une. Uh, Pardon my accent, but that means, is there anything deficient in Pune? Well, yes, Pune is well among the much sought after city for the smart city concept by our Honorable Prime Minister. Now, with its appealing blend of an inviting climate and charismatic lifestyle, it is one of the best places to live in India. That is for sure. Now, I would now like to welcome you to the most charming and the most iconic residences in the western part of Pune. They are in the Baner Balewadi belt, precisely to be in Balewadi. Incidentally, these residences are the most tallest too, for you to enjoy the never-ending panorama of Pune's suburban landscape. These 23-story towers are well within the city limits of Pune Municipal Corporation. Now, we'll take a look at the typologies which are offered here. The two-bedroom apartment starts from 1099 square feet onwards. We have a three-bedroom configuration with 1783 square feet onwards, a four-bedroom apartments with a 2635 square feet onwards, and a five-bedroom apartment with 3567 square feet onwards. We do have exclusive penthouses and duplex, which starts from 7000 square feet onwards. This is a floor plan of a sample two-bedroom residence. You will get an idea of how it will be. Now let us have a look at the indoor spaces that we have to offer. The living room, isn't it good? I mean, the living room is brought alive with textures and hues. The decors add to the ambience as full-size windows offer panoramic views of Pune's suburban landscape. Cozy and relaxing. This master bedroom which you see is imposing and impressive, of course. Its chic design is highlighted by mute decor and lighting that is bright yet unobtrusive. Exterior sit-outs attached to master bedroom serve as great viewing and lounging decks. And guys, mind you, these are the actual photos of the sample flat for you to model your apartment tastefully. Of course, the furnishings are not a part of the standard flat, but these are the actual site sample flat photos. Flowing spaces merge into each other, creating an aura of aesthetic excellence. We are providing you with a modular kitchen with imported fittings. The next breakthrough feature is that of a home automation, which enables you to make your routine simpler. This is a new generation of card-only access and keyless apartments, bringing peace of mind at no extra cost. Yes, we are giving you keyless entry. You can control your appliances, lighting, and security at your fingertips. We also provide you with a video door phone facility. With We have a Wi-Fi connectivity which enables remote managing your appliances via apps on your smartphones. An additional feature. Now let us go to the spaces that we have to offer for you outdoors. Outdoor spaces. Yes, yes. Of course, you're reading it right. It is 100% power backup. Yeah, 100% power backup. Now, isn't that amazing? It was really amazing. And no, we are not talking about the usual common areas and elevators which have been provided by the developers across. We have taken a step further to your entire apartment. Yes, the entire apartment, including your air conditioner. Give you a great peace of mind. Now, this one is my personal favorite. Temperature controlled swimming pool. How cool is this? Temperature controlled swimming pool. Indeed, a luxury with no parallels. I reiterate, it's a heated swimming pool, guys. Imagine, it's winters and taking a dip in a hot pool after a hard day's work. I mean, isn't it bliss? You can drench your senses along with. These pools definitely offer therapeutic as well as healing properties for tired, aging muscles. Even if you have a first home, I would emphasize, guys, don't miss this opportunity even if you have a first home. This is a brilliant second home option. Brilliant second home option. I mean, tell me, guys, where have you heard about a heated swimming pool recently in Pune? I mean, I haven't. This is an absolutely amazing investment option, even if you're considering that way as a second home where you can live as well. Yeah, of course, it's a brilliant first home option. Whatever it is, I will say, guys, go for it. This is one property uh, which is which doesn't have a parallel competition. Yes, absolutely. Now we have a sky garden as well. This is a striking feature that again we have to offer. We have an open to air sky garden against the backdrop of the Pune city's skyline. Also have a Zen garden with a rich landscaping and curated greens for you to have a relaxed evening. Guys, isn't these features amazing? Isn't these features inviting enough? Now, to top it all, we have an alfresco cafe, which is open 24 hours. Yes, guys, you heard that right. It is open 24 hours. And most importantly, this is exclusively for the residents to use. I mean, yes, no outsiders are allowed. It is only for the residents for the project to be used. Cool is that? How cool is that? A cafe to call your own. Yes, yes. Robotic car parking. I mean, robotic car parking in Pune. This is the this is the most amazing feature that I find, guys. Robotic car parking. It's really amazing. It is like having your own valet, a premium valet for each and every one for you. Yes, and we have also covered the rest of the amenities that we have. We have the clubhouse, we have the gymnasium, we have a half basketball court, we have a child tracking system. Guys, we are providing you with RFID bands which you can tie on the wrists of your kids, and you should be able to locate them in anywhere within the premises of the property. So, this indeed is a breakthrough system that we are offering you. Then we have a lily pond, we have a children's park, we have a theme garden, we have a jogging track, we have rainwater harvesting, we have a car washing area, we have an entry exit with special paving, we have a driveway, we have a main designer entrance gate, we have an organic waste converter, we have sewage treatment plant, we have water feature, we have meditation lawn. I mean, I can go on and on and on. Guys, you need to come to the property to have a look, to experience, to have a experiential tour. Now, yes, this property has been awarded as the best theme project of Pune. So if you're looking for a home, look no further. This is it. This is it, guys. Yeah, this is the most important part. You must be thinking. So yes, how much has to be shelled out? I mean, what is the price like, guys? Before we reveal the figure, I mean, can you give me a vague idea? I mean, can you give me a guess, or can you imagine? I mean, how much should be the price of it? I mean, for say around 2 BHK apartments of around 1099 square feet, how much should be the price like? In with a property I mean, as exclusive as this, with these kind of finishes, with these kind of amenities, unparalleled amenities, and guys, with a robotic car parking, with a heated swimming pool, with a 24-hour all-day dining restaurant or a cafe, how much should be the price? It can be very well be priced for 1.2 cr or a 1.1 to be conservative. Well, we are pricing it only for 1.05 cr. Isn't that amazing, guys? Isn't that amazing? Only 1.05 cr for a 2 BHK apartment. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But wait, but hold on. Since you have been with me for this presentation for the first time and you have devoted your time for watching this presentation for so long, I have a special offer to make to you. I have a very, very special offer to make to you. In fact, I want to offer a sweet little discount to you. So for a very limited time, we are giving you a discount of, how much should be a discount like? A 2 lakh rupees discount, good enough? Uh, 5 lakh, good? Or should we offer you a 10 lakh rupees discount? Guys, this is getting serious, guys. A 10 lakh rupees discount? I mean, a 2 BHK starting from 95 lakh onwards? Amazing, isn't it? This kind of a property for 95 lakhs is indeed amazing. But hold on, for a very, very limited amount of time, and for we really have very few residences left, guys. So in case you want to avail this discount that I am going to offer you next, you need to call up immediately on the phone number provided on the next slide. Promise you're going to do that, right? So I am giving you a discount of 20 lakhs. Yes, guys, you heard it right. 20 lakh rupees discount on a 2 bedroom residence. How amazing it can be. So, what will be the effective price now? Yes, of course. 85 lakhs onwards. 85 lakhs plus the taxes. It is a real deal, guys. It is a real deal. Do not delay the numbers on this slide. As I emphasized earlier, we have limited inventory available, very few selected residences available. I forgot to tell you that this property will be up for possession in March next year. So yes, it will be like uh, 7-8 months from now. So without further ado, I would request you to call on this number to book your apartment immediately. Immediately. Call upon 9545384666. I repeat, 9545384666. Without further ado, guys, this is the best decision that you will be taking in terms of owning an apartment in Pune. Believe me, whether for residential or for investment, this is the best. This is the best, guys. I would like to thank you to be with me for this presentation for now, and uh, and that's it, guys. Go ahead and call up now. Thank you. Thanks a ton. Bye.